We are in a very critical moment right now in history where the climate crisis on the one hand is spinning out of control, and then on the other hand we actually have a global development crisis. So we need to both take carbon and greenhouse gases out of the economy and at the same time further develop the economy to accommodate welfare for 9 billion people in 2050. And that means we need to really step up our effort, focusing on the sectors and technologies that can do both tricks at the same time. Industrial biotechnology, in our view, is one of these sectors. So therefore we set out to do a report that looked beyond the current debate and looked towards 2030 and really saw what is actually the potential at stake here. There are many pitfalls, there are many ways that we cannot be able to actually deploy that potential, but the potential is there, so it needs attention. Well, the headline of the findings is that if we develop fully this sector and we have a full market penetration of the possible applications by 2030, we could take out between 1 billion and 2.5 billion tons of CO2 equivalents of the economy, while at the same time building an economy around doing that in this sector. And that's a very significant amount of greenhouse gases. As we also point out in the report, not all the tons of carbon that industrial biotechnology can take out are of equal importance or of equal strategic significance. Some of them, for example, when you improve efficiency in tar sand, is not pointing towards a low-carbon economy, but making an old dirty economy a little bit greener. So the most important thing that can happen is that the sector, the industry itself, together with policymakers, secure the progression from first-generation biofuels into second-generation and into the full deployment of biomaterial potential that we see in the industry. That process, that progression has to accelerate as much as possible.